The MGZR's alarm frequently activating is a common issue, often due to faulty door or hood switches or a weak key fob battery. First, check the key fob battery, CR2032. Replace it if weak. Next, inspect the door and hood switches for corrosion, misalignment, or damage. These switches are crucial for detecting open-close states. A corroded or misaligned switch can send false signals, triggering the alarm. Clean the switches and ensure they are properly aligned. Use a multimeter to test the continuity of each switch. An open circuit when the door hood is closed indicates a fault. These are the most common causes. Addressing these two issues will solve most alarm problems. If the door or hood switches and key fob battery are functioning correctly, the alarm ECU may need a reset. The ECU, or electronic control unit, acts as the brain of the alarm system. Resetting it can clear any glitches. To perform the reset, first disconnect the negative terminal of the car battery. Then, wait approximately 10 minutes to allow the system to fully reset. Reconnect the negative terminal. Finally, rearm the alarm system to test if the issue is resolved. If the alarm still activates after the reset, a deeper issue with wiring or the module itself may exist. Seek professional help or replace with an aftermarket alarm unit.